Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, I got this gifted to me. This is a nice, like a vintage looking mirror. And I think it's really nice oval shape and a nice detail here. But this is a little dated for my taste here in my closet. So what I'm going to do is match this up here with a look over here. So I'm going to do the black glitter. It's the most beautiful glitter I've ever had, and gold. So that is going to be a theme and an inspiration point for this here. So again, what I'm going to start out to do, I'm going to spray the whole thing, the whole entire thing gold. If I can't take the mirror out, I'll just, just cover the mirror up. I'm going to go back and add glitter to all of this. It's easier to spray the whole thing gold as a base and come back and add the glitter here. This will be covered up. I don't really want to see the detail of this, but I think it's really nice. Again, another option is if I wanted to do all gold and then glitter this part, that's another option as well. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to upcycle this mirror. All right, guys, it's Mooregirl. Let's get started. As I flip this over, as you can see the back of the mirror, they do have screws here that will take the backboard off and even the mirror. So that'll be easier for me to do that than to cover it up. I could do either or, but I like to take it off so I can get into the real crevices of this mirror and I don't miss any spots at all. So I'll remove the backing first and then I'll apply the paint. One tip is that if you can easily remove the mirror, do that rather than just tape it, because as you see here, you get those really dark crevices that you really don't want to miss the paint with. So it's easier at the end to just unscrew everything and then place everything back together.
You think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love gun. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, you tell me that I made you think if we had something special more than happy drinks, you'll go without blinking. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. 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 Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. No one can break me, no one can bring me down.
Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you like this project, just leave a comment below and let me know. And if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll get back in contact with you. Also, this glitter is $9 and I got it from Stole Coat, and this glitter is awesome. It is not the same glitter from Hobby Lobby and Michael's, guys, so it is worth the $9. I have purchased it several times and it's not the same glitter. It's really, really highly reflective. Alright guys, it's Mooregirl, and don't forget to like, share, comment my video, and I will see you at the next video. Alright guys, it's Mooregirl. I'll see you soon.